So you're looking for strong, toned, and sexy looking legs and a butt? You've come to the right place. Stay tuned. What's up my friends, it's your boy Siam Banz again with another awesome video. Today's video is about an intense leg workout. This workout will really help you tone, strengthen, and really make firm your legs and your butt. I know the ladies like this. We also like it on the ladies as well. Anyways, this video is made for beginners who are just starting out or just looking to burn that fat on their thighs and also their butt a little bit. It has a series of exercises that are really easy to follow with a couple of rests in between. Once you've done the entire round of exercises, rest for about 90 seconds and then repeat the whole process about 2 or 3 times. This workout routine should be done about 2 to 3 times a week. When you find that it gets too comfortable for you or a bit easy, you know that it's time to level up. Speaking of leveling up, I've got awesome content and videos on my channel about leg workouts and other body parts. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I post an awesome video like this one. Anyways guys, without much further ado, let's get into that workout. Peace. Hey, what's up, my friends? Really am glad that you made it this far into the workout. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you found it challenging and also fun at the same time, because it's really how it's supposed to be. So be challenging and be having some fun at the same time. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed that video, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really, shows me that you like what I'm making for you. If you don't like it, even hit the thumbs down button. It's fine. I accept positive critique, of my work. It's an opportunity for me to grow as well. Anyways, guys, you've been awesome. I really appreciate your support and you coming and checking out my content and all that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post an awesome video like this one. You guys have been amazing. As always, I'll see you next time. Peace.